Good morning, friends. 1.5 His first flight. Let's complete the warmer activities. Number 1, discuss and answer. Friends, it's really not possible for us because we are not together in the classroom, but we will try to imagine and will give one's own response. Number 1, are there any situations when you get afraid? Now, my response, yes, I get afraid when it's time to prepare meal. Or another situation, I get afraid when I am asked to enter into the water to swim. Second one, how would you react if you had to travel alone? So I would be a little bit afraid but excited. Number 3, how would you react if you had to stay alone at home? Of course, I would be unwilling to stay alone at home. And number 4, what would you do if you were lost in a new city? I would ask for help to reach a nearby police station, seek help of police. So these are my responses. Now accordingly you have to find your own responses and write your own responses in front of each point in your notebook. Then proceed for the second warmer activity. Complete the following table: idiom, its meaning, and your own sentence. Number 1, bird's eye view. Its meaning, view from somewhere high. Now we have been asked to frame a sentence by using the given idiom. So my example, from the plane we had a bird's eye view of London. I repeat again, from the plane we had a bird's eye view of London. Then number 2, as free as a bird. Its meaning, if he or she is carefree, and the example has been given in the table. After finishing her exam, she will be as free as a bird. Number 3, eagle's eye, meaning his ability to observe something closely. And now we have to give our own example. So I give my example. He did the work under the eagle's eye of his teacher. I repeat again, he did the work under the eagle's eye of his teacher. And last one, spread one's wings. This is an idiom. Its meaning, to try to work on the things independently. And we have been asked to give an example. So my example, if you spread your wings, you will be a successful writer. If you spread your wings, you will be a successful writer. So in this way you have to use idiom number 1, idiom number 3 and idiom number 4 in your own examples. As I have demonstrated here, you should try to write these idioms in your own context and own example. Now last activity, find more such idioms using in the following keywords. The keywords are, the first keyword is fly, second name of animal, any animal, and third one color. So an idiom, number 1, at a snail's pace. Number 2, busy as a bee. Number 3, ants in one's pants. Number 4, dropping like flies. Number 5, hold your horses. Number 6, flying colors. Number 7, black and white. Number 8, sparks fly. And number 9, fly in the face of fact. So these are some of the examples of idioms I demonstrated as per the instruction by using the keyword fly, name of animal and color. So you can add some more to the list. So friends, this was warmer activity of the story. Now in the next video we will have the listening practice of the story, and then we will understand the story. Thank you. Now homework. Use any 5 idioms from the list of 9 in your own examples and write in your notebook. Use them in your own sentences. Thank you.